Okay, so Marian cooking chop suey, right?
Yeah.
Come tell your faves, because I know my faves anymore are yours now. What you have on the chicken and what you doing?
Well, on it now is just the
soya sauce, onion,
and a tiny bit. You can see that extra dark. That's just a little
browning.
Because
okay.
Soya sauce not dark enough.
All right. So we're gonna show you guys what else she's gonna put on it and what she's gonna do.
Well, this is going to be cooked just like how we brown stew the chicken.
Okay, and then you just put your veggies in it.
And then we just add the veggies into it.
Okay. All right.
The only difference with this when we're cooking it down is that I'm not gonna put no potato
and a carrot,
all of that in it.
Okay.
Because I'm just gonna cook it normal without all of that, and then we're gonna add the veg.
All right. Cool. Oh, so you don't add carrot to your chop suey? No.
But I'm not gonna add it in this.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna cut it long and
Yeah. I see what you mean.
And apart from that, you need a little. I need a little crunch.
Right. All right. I'll show.
Obviously, I'm going to be.
Okay, so that's the prep for the chicken, and that's the prep for the veggies, and she have bean sprouts.
Morning, fans.
It's not fans.
Face.
Yes. And of course, she's going to do it in the. That is gonna taste so good. I haven't had chop suey in a long time. The final of what you call it? Stew?
Chicken chop stew.
Chicken chop stew. She have her veggies in, her bean sprouts in, and she's cooking rice over here. And that's the end result on my plate. You guys tell me now. I tell Marian that I want 1 spoon of rice. And look at this.
Depends.
Half of the plate have meat and veggies, and half of the plate of rice. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look who is back together again. I miss this. I miss us going to the supermarket together. I miss just us being in the car together. When was the last time I was in the car? No, since hospital. I haven't come in the car since then.
I'm trying to think. I don't think you went.
Yes, to go to Sarah doctor's appointment.
Yeah, I mean since your.
But I haven't gone to the supermarket since my cousin is here. Yes, so I'm going to the supermarket with Babe today. Babe went to work and got back home. I stayed home and rested because Sarah stayed up a little bit later than she normally stayed up last night. So I was a little bit tired, so I got some rest today. I think I shut my eye for about 30 minutes round, something like that. Can you say hello to the faves? Yes, Tyler. You are calling me, Mama. What do you want?
Yes. When you wanted to do Papa say hello to him, and you already started to talk, and then you didn't give me to say hello.
Mama is so sorry because that's what we normally do, right? You normally say hello before Mama start talking, right? And Mama forget to let you say hello to the field. Alright, I won't let it happen again, okay? Alright. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day today. Hopefully you guys are staying cool in this heat, yo. Oh, there's a way here to go down. Interesting. You knew that?
I never pay attention.
So I'm out going to the supermarket with Babe for the first time, and baby girl is around there. I can see her in my mirror in front of me. She is chilling. She is one of the best little traveler, and her eyes wide open. I'm gonna see if you guys can see her in the mirror that I'm seeing her in. You see her? She's the best little sleeper. Let me zoom her out. There she's around there, eyes wide open. Not little sleeper, I mean little traveler. She travels so well. When she's in the car, you guys don't even know that she's in the car. That's how quiet she is. But it looks like her eyes closed now. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go pick up a few little goodies here and there, so we'll catch you guys along the rest of today's vlog. So the real reason we came on the road is to get Sarah's passport size picture done, because we're preparing for a travel and she needs her passport and she's sleeping, so we can't get her picture taken until she wake up, and we have 30 minutes before the place closes, so hopefully she'll wake up. So in the meantime, we're doing a little shopping, and all I'm blowing on her, she's not waking up, so we're just picking up a few goodies. Somebody's finally awake and gonna take her pictures. Hey, stay awake. Stay awake for mama. 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 Ooh. Stay awake for mama. Sarah.
Merci.
Sarah. Good girl. C'est bon comme ça?
Il y a juste les mains, il va falloir sûrement lui tenir les mains comme ceci. Ceci aussi. Il faut vraiment qu'il soit plus réveillé, ça va être le plus compliqué.
C'est bon? Hey! Sarah! Coucou! You did well. Good job, Mama. Your passport ready, huh? Strutting my stuff with my two babies.
Mama,
Yes.
I want to go to McDonald's. I am hungry.
Me too.
But guess what?
What?
You don't have to stop.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
is you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. Give me a hand.
Me too. So we want.
Oh, yeah.
So we want to go McDonald's.
You want to go McDonald's?
Yeah.
Not we, you. Alright, let's go find
Who
something
want
in
to
Cafe for us.
Who want to come with me to
Alright, you guys, we got mail. You guys only gonna see one because two of them is surprise for Tyler's birthday. So you guys will see those. But this one is from one of our Jamaican subscribers' sister friend in Italy that we've been in contact for a while now. So she was the very first person to buy a gift for Sarah, but she decided to hold it until Sarah is born. So it finally reached, and we're gonna see what's in there. So thanks, Mara. You ready to see what's in the package?
Oh,
And
it's for Papa.
Sarah is over there with Marianne. Wait, sit. Oh, what is that?
But that's not for baby sister. Wow!
That's a shirt for
That's a
who?
pretty one.
That's for Tyler. This one is for baby sister. I love this. That's so cute. Ooh, we get Italian snack to taste. What else is in there? More Italian snack. Yes, we're gonna taste those right now.
Whatever is written in it.
Because it's in Italy.
I can read pizza.
Wait, so there's an outfit for baby girl. This pants, pink pants, and the top to match.
That's cute.
I love it. I
I love
love
it
it. And I
too.
love that it's a big fit. Thank you, my Italian
She'll be
Jamaican girl.
walking in this one.
Oh yeah, she'll be definitely walking.
She'll be
when she
moving
wear
a
this.
little bit.
And say thank you for your shirt, Tyler. Look in the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
You have a pretty one, Tyler.
And now we got snack to taste. Ready to taste?
Yeah.
Okay, stop picking your eye. Tyler is tired because it's past his bedtime.
Oh, it's 10 and a half.
Okay, this is mini crissini.
Mini Christine.
Say that in Italian accent. Mini crissini.
Christine. You can't do Italian
I can't do
accent.
Italian accent. That sucked just now. Okay, so Tyler is the first to taste. Tell me how is it, Ty? Not fried. Okay, so what is it? Without additive. Okay. It's like, come taste this. Let Marianne come in. Come Marianne, come taste this. Come taste.
Taste, I say, not eat.
Just taste.
Just a little bit.
Come put your camera up on her. Taste and tell me.
Let me see what it is
It's
first.
okay. It's like, no, that's why you're gonna taste it and tell me.
I want to see what it is.
You
though.
can't read. That's Italian. You can't read.
I
Taste
can.
Tyler wants another one? Ooh, Tyler going for seconds. This is what it looks like. It's like,
Show me again.
it's like dried biscuit with tomato sauce on
Powder.
it. Tomato powder. Come baby, your time to taste.
It's just dry
Me?
bread.
Yeah.
Bread
It's like, yeah.
bread like dry bread with tomato powder sprinkled.
Oh, Tyler going for thirds. So why your face look like that? It's a starter.
Yeah.
But it's good.
It's just bread. It's literally.
It's called pizza. It's pizza written on it. It's a mini
Yeah, it's pizza.
grissini
Yeah, so
pizza.
it makes sense.
It's a pizza cross. It's like the cross.
Crust of a
There's
pizza.
tomato
Right.
sauce that you put on it. Same thing.
Right. So it's like you're eating dried pizza crust.
No, but this is a certain taste, but it's the type of thing that you finish the packet without to realize.
So true.
Once you finish it, you have the mouth, the taste in your mouth, and you pick it.
Just keep
pick
going.
it. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I have to stop myself not to take another one.
So send us 2 snacks. I really like this one. So we're gonna taste the other one. Ready to taste the other one, Ty? Open your mouth and see.
Yes.
Let me see what
It's
this
written not for kids under 4 years old.
Ty. It's written what?
It's written not for kids under 4 years old. So Tyler can't eat that.
Alright, you know Papa loves messing with you. He's just messing with you. Come.
You really did that?
You're too wicked. Leave him alone. What is it called? You didn't tell them what is written.
Talini.
Talini. That's a good Italian
Talini.
accent. Okay, what is
Gusto
this?
classico.
Okay. Alright, let's see what this one is.
Let me see the box now. Why
Yes,
why
it looks like
the
cashew.
Yes, the box and the
Give Tyler one.
Yeah, that's for you.
No, it's not nut. It's similar to the one we just eat. But this
Yeah.
one
It says you got wheat
is
flour.
is similar to the one we just eat,
know.
but it doesn't have the
Sesame seed.
No tomato
it
sauce.
doesn't have the tomato sauce. It's like natural.
It's literally just dry bread.
It's like
It's all
natural.
dry bread. All starter
But
kinda.
it's written,
You know you're hungry and you didn't know come here till you wanna
It's
sit
written
and munch
light.
on something.
It's written light and
Oh, yeah.
good for health.
Really?
Yeah, it's written pure jelly and pure fry belly. So I guess this is what it means.
It's literally flour, sesame seed. It's written on the back in English.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't know which one I prefer. I think I prefer the first one, maybe because the first one have flavor.
Flavor. I prefer the first one.
Because
The
this
first
one
one is more, it makes you go back
Want
and
to-
go back
yeah.
and go back. This one,
Tyler, which one is your favorite? This one or the first one?
when you eat that, you
The
add
first
some
one?
sugar.
You want a one more before bed?
No.
You know
Okay.
what? You say it like a joke, yeah, but honestly, if you get some honey In it,
I
get
don't
some
like
honey,
so not really make
and
much.
sprinkle it on it with some dry nuts. See if that wouldn't taste better.
So thanks, Auntie, for my shirt and my snacks.
Leila, the movie name.
Come on.
Thank you.
For my shirt
Big
Thank you
mama.
for my
Big
shirt.
Mama.
and the snacks.
Bye-bye.
It's a professional, the one that you.
Which one is your favorite, honey?
My favorite.
Which of the two snacks is your favorite?
Yeah, you're my favorite.
Ah!
Thank you. But I'm talking about the snack.
The snack. Well, you're my snack.
Oh Lord, listen to this now.
No, that's.
Should I go to the next one?
That's.
So I think this
Guys, stop.
The pizza one is more
Flavorful.
Yeah.
Mine too, but I love both. Anyway,
You can
thanks
eat that
girl
with
for the goodies.
guacamole
We appreciate
or things
it.
Yeah, that would be nice.
And we'll
with some
definitely be
cheese.
eating this.
Oh, with
Actually, I would prefer that
Get
with
up.
some cheese. Yeah, some soft
and
cheese.
some wine on the side, some pink
We
wine.
know how to dress
Yeah.
it up. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, you guys, that's where we're gonna leave it for today's vlog. This video, thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam. And Marianne just put Sarah to bed, so let me show you guys her in a minute. This girl, once I have her, she'll fuss and want to stay on the breast all day 24/7. And once Marianne take her, this is what happened.
Sleeping
Wine is
hands.
good to make us sleep.
Exactly. Every time. Every time. Even when it's not her nap time, she sleeps.
Honestly,
I
I
have
don't
to
know what
beg
it is.
Marianne. Marianne, don't put her to sleep in
I
the
don't know what
day.
I'm doing though. She just comes.
Because you don't have the titty.
You know what? She comes to me and she just go. I think she think I'm boring. Because she comes to me and she went. The minute I take her, she start go. And next
Like,
thing you know,
here we go
Yes.
again. Yeah, stress out me pitney. Anyway, you guys, we're out. Chocolate milk? Go get it. Fat face. Watch her open her eye.
You vacuum